Hi, I'm Mindy Sylvester. Welcome to Winding Cypress in Naples, Florida. Winding Cypress is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Naples. I've been selling real estate in Naples for over 20 years. I've sold over 500 homes, and I'll tell you, it just has a lot of unique features about it that make it a very desirable neighborhood and a great place to live. Winding Cypress is a resort style community in South Naples that consists of single family homes and attached villas. One of the most impressive and unique features about Winding Cypress is the fabulous amenity center. Residents enjoy a beautiful clubhouse with a resort-style swimming pool, outdoor restaurant, state-of-the-art fitness center, club room, library, tennis courts, bocce ball, and a full-time activities director. Winding Cypress also offers miles of walking and biking paths, a community garden, and is situated on over 1,100 acres, much of which is natural preserve. Wild Winding Cypress was developed by Devasta Homes. There will be over 700 homes once completed. There are 6 different single-family home floor plans to choose from and 2 different villa plans. Home sizes range from 1,500 square feet to over 3,000. Each floor plan is unique, but all have beautiful kitchens with large islands, open floor plans, and are nicely appointed. Contact me today and I'll send you a list of all the homes that are available for resale, as well as any builder's inventory and buyer incentive info.